Hello guys, in this video let us see question 4 of exercise 8.3 chapter 8 trigonometry 9th subdivision. Prove that cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cot A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Hint is the given hint is simplify LHS and RHS separately. So let us do LHS first, then we will continue with RHS. LHS is given as cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Let's write cosecant A as 1 by sin A minus sin A and secant A as 1 by cos A minus cos A. Taking common denominator, 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A into, taking cos A as common denominator, 1 minus cos square A. We know the identity, 1 minus sin square A is cos square A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A divided by cos A. Cancelling cos A and sin A, we get cos A into sin A. Now let us simplify RHS side. RHS is given as 1 by tan A plus cot A. We will write tan and cot as sin and cos. Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Cot can be written as cos A by sin A. Taking common denominator, 1 by common denominator cos A into sin A. We'll get numerator as sin square A plus cos square A. We know sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 by sin A cos A. This can be also written as sin A into cos A. As the formula, A by B by C is equal to A into C by B. So, we have received LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Thank you. Happy learning. Practice as many problems as you can.